So hi everyone, welcome to the first lecture on Deutsch, also known as the German language. As an introduction, I'll introduce you to the letters used in the Deutsch language. The letters are basically similar to the English alphabets, only a few pronunciation changes are there. Like in the case of A, this is pronounced A. This is B. This is say they a f ge ha e yot ka yel yam yen o pe ku er yes te u fau ve x y z. So the alphabets are A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Apart from the existing 26 alphabets, in Deutsch we are using three more vowels. These are A, exactly like the English A. For comparison, I'm saying it's the same English A. And this is O, and this is U. Pronunciation only. This doesn't mean that this is U. This is the pronunciation. This will be called as English A, U, not U, O, and U. And there's one more letter called Yset, and this asset is only used in German. So that was the introductory lecture. Hope you all enjoyed it.